Imagine this. You wake up one morning and realize something feels wrong. It's 8 a.m., but the sun hasn't moved. 1 hour passes, 2 hours, 5 hours. The light never changes. Then scientists make a shocking announcement. Earth has suddenly stopped rotating on its axis. It sounds impossible, but if it really happened, what would follow? The instant stop. Earth normally completes one rotation every 24 hours. That's what gives us day and night. It shapes our weather, our wind systems, our ocean currents. At the equator, you are moving at about 1,670 kilometers per hour, even though you don't feel it, because everything around you is moving at the same speed. Now imagine that rotation stops in a single second. The planet stops, but you don't. Because of inertia, everything on the surface would continue moving eastward at terrifying speed. Buildings, trees, cars, people, all thrown forward violently. Cities would collapse instantly. Highways would rip apart. Glass and metal would fly through the air. It would be destruction unlike anything in human history. The oceans rise. And the oceans wouldn't stop either. Trillions of tons of water would surge forward. The result? The largest tsunamis ever seen on Earth. Walls of water hundreds of meters high would swallow coastal cities within minutes. In just a few hours, much of human civilization would be gone. If the planet survived, let's assume Earth doesn't break apart. It simply stops spinning. After 24 hours, one side of the planet would face the sun permanently. The other side would fall into eternal darkness. On the sunlit side, temperatures would rise day after day. Rivers would evaporate, soil would dry and crack. Within weeks, that half of Earth could become a burning desert, reaching 80 to even 100 degrees Celsius. Meanwhile, the dark side would freeze. Temperatures could drop to minus 150, even minus 200 degrees Celsius. Oceans would turn to ice. Cities would be buried under snow. Half the planet, a frozen wasteland. The winds of chaos. But perhaps the most terrifying change would happen in the atmosphere. Right now, Earth's rotation creates the Coriolis effect, which controls global wind patterns. Without rotation, that effect disappears. Hot air from the bright side would rush endlessly towards the freezing dark side. The result? Permanent superstorms. Winds reaching 800 to 1,000 kilometers per hour, lightning, dust storms, a sky in constant chaos. The oceans shift. Today, Earth's spin causes water to bulge slightly around the equator. If rotation stopped, that bulge would disappear. Water would slowly migrate toward the poles. Equatorial regions might see oceans shrink, even revealing new land. Meanwhile, massive seas could form near the poles. The world map would completely change. Could humans survive? Would humanity vanish completely? Maybe not. Between the burning side and the frozen side, there would be a narrow band, a twilight zone, a region where light and darkness meet. Not too hot, not too cold. Perhaps humans could survive there. New cities might rise. New technologies would be developed to manage extreme heat and cold. History shows we adapt. We survived ice ages, asteroid impacts, pandemics, but a motionless Earth? That would be our greatest test. The final thought. Every day we watch the sunrise and sunset. It feels normal, but we forget we are standing on a massive sphere spinning at incredible speed. If that motion stopped, would our civilization endure? Or would Earth start over again, without us? Just thinking about it sends chills down your spine, doesn't it?